Hi everyone, John Cora here, McClinton Chevrolet Mitsubishi, coming to you from inside our delivery bay because the wind outside is crazy today. It's almost as bad as that movie with Helen Hunt, as good as it gets. But today I wanted to give a quick recap of my time with this new 2020 Outlander Sport Black Edition. Some of you may have seen the photos yesterday. Some of you may have seen our Instagram story about it. And I just want to give my final impressions about this vehicle. First of all, my favorite thing about it is obviously the styling. Of course, you got those red accents back here, the special Black Edition badge. The black rims are exclusive to this model, and that's the only way you can get black rims on the new 2020 Outlander Sport. Of course, you have those those red accent stickers. The grille up front here is black as well. And there's also the Rockford Fosgate sound system. All of those are features on this Black Edition that set it apart from a traditional Outlander Sport. As I showed some of you yesterday, there is the subwoofer that comes from the factory, Rockford Fosgate. You can see the logo on there. Weird story about that, actually. So last year, our high-end models of Mitsubishis had the Rockford Fosgate system. And then when 2020 came, we were told that Rockford Fosgate would no longer be offered. There was a different system. And we were cool with that. I mean, the factory sound system for Mitsubishi is pretty cool. And then suddenly, when this model came out, Rockford Fosgate was offered again. So happy about it. It sounds great. The sound system is one of my favorite features of this vehicle. But the question is, would I buy this over my 2018? So, yes. I mean, there's a few things on this that are definitely worth it. The biggest thing in my mind why you would buy any 2020 over a previous generation Outlander Sport are those headlights. Those are LEDs, and they are much brighter at night than the old halogen headlights on the previous model. Of course, the tail lights are LED as well. And overall, the styling is it's great. It was a refresh over 2019, not a complete redesign, but those subtle changes make a big difference. Of course, this one has heated seats. It has that 8-inch display there as well. So really, overall, a lot of great features on this vehicle that would make me consider trading my 2018 Outlander Sport in on it. Plus, I just love those rims. But yeah, the biggest thing for me was that stereo system. So if you get a chance, check it out. You can arrange a contactless test drive or delivery. Check out McClintonMitsubishi.com. You can see all of your payments. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment below. And until next time, I'm John Cora.